Power Creative Development Future Universal Mini Series 5-Axis Laser Machine. The Future Universal Mini Series specializes in metal cutting tools, providing clients greater flexibility in specialized sectors. A compact footprint enhances the machine's utilization and allows for the placement of more units in limited spaces. Single clamping of the tool enables integrated rough and finish machining. This equipment is apt for 5-axis machining of super hard tool tips and for shaping and slotting entire PCD tools. The machining results in even, smooth, and crack-free cuts with good edge finish. Contactless cutting significantly reduces material damage and enhances utilization, achieving virtually no loss machining. It also includes an online pre-inspection feature facilitating routine tool production. With grating closed-loop control, high-precision linear motors achieve efficient, precise 5-axis machining. Before machining, simply import DXF or STL files, and the machine will automatically generate the program. After the probe measurement, automatic machining can be initiated immediately. The machine bed, cast from natural marble, enhances the stability of the equipment's precision. With proprietary intellectual property and a decade of continuous production experience, Power Creative Development's continually enhanced 5-axis laser machines are poised to revolutionize the future of super hard tool manufacturing.